Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video, I want to take a look at one of these horrible throwaway e-cigarettes. Yeah, I found this on the way home. Yeah, I picked it up. I think those things are very horrible. And the worst thing is the people just throw them away. But I think there is a battery in here that I maybe can use for something. Yeah, so in today's video I will try to cut this thing open and see what's inside and recycle the rest. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. There's 3.7 volt, 360 milliamp hours. So let's measure it. Yeah, 3.4 volts. So I solder now some wires here, and here, and then I charge it. So let's plug it in and see what it does, if it explodes, but I don't think so. Yeah, and it charges up. Sweet. Yeah, and I found the perfect use now for this battery. Here I built a joystick tester about 1.5 years ago. Yeah, and I'm missing a battery for this. So I will use this now. This should be absolutely sufficient for this. Yeah, cool. So let's test it. Yeah, I built this a while ago. Let's see. Yeah. This is absolutely perfect for this. Yeah guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I see you in my next one. Bye.